Scientists have estimated about 8.7 million animal species on the earth. Some of them are fierce, like lion, shark, tigers, and some are quite adorable, like rabbits, deer, otters, etc. And others are, well, really weird. Across the globe, you will find unique animals that exhibit truly remarkable and bizarre features and behaviors. From a frog that shows off its organ to a goat that faints when sacred. Here are few unusual, uncommon animals to add to your inquisitive mind bucket list. One of the strangest mammals living today is tapir, a visual hodgepodge of an elephant and a wild hog. It's looked like a blend of whatever parts were left over after creating other animals. Over the fact which we should be aware and we should know about is that it is often called living fossils. They have been around for 20 million years and have changed little bit only. That's why it is on the top of the list of unusual and uncommon animals. They usually found in South America, and only 3000 tapir left in the world, which is endangered now. Mink are dark colored semi-aquatic carnivorous mammals. The word mink is used for the two sole species of these animals still residing on the planet. The two extant species are American mink, European mink. Though both type of minks are undeniably similar animals, but they have their fair share of individual qualities too. American mink is much larger than European one. Basically, they are small, discreet, and most often nocturnal. Chinchilla. Wild chinchillas are endangered. They are very inquisitive and love to explore. That's why they are highly sociable animals. They are originated from Andean mountains of South America. Being the nocturnal animals, they are highly active during night. Okay, and platypus is also most unusual creature in the animal kingdom. It has a paddle-shaped tail, a sleek furry body, and a flat bill with webbed feet like duck. Its body makes it unusual. Platypus is nothing if not bizarre looking. Okay, so just because of their looking, it considered to be an unusual animal. Toucans are renowned for their large colorful bills. You have seen that they have a large colorful bills, which makes it a spectacular bird. Its bill is enormous when compared to the size of its body. It has the largest bill of all the world's bill. Toucans are actually an endangered species due to their habitat being destroyed. There it comes, hamsters. Hamsters are cute and furry, but they do not have good eyesight. Usually we call it as a born blind, but they are nearsighted and also color blinded. Well, hamsters are intelligent creatures. If you teach them and use their name frequently, they will get to use of hearing it and start recognizing it afterwards, and they will start recognizing the names. Next we have elk. Elk tend to be broader than deer but not as massive as moose. So, like them, elk have massive antlers and long legs with cloven hoofs. Bull elk lose their antlers each March and grow them back in May, which makes elk quite weird. We have next flying squirrel. Flying squirrels are small tree squirrels. Despite their name, they actually glide instead of fly. Instead of flying, they actually glide, which makes them quite different from their squirrel, and they can glide up to approximately 50 meters and more. And the last we have Tasmanian devil. It is the very largest surviving marsupial according to the National Geographic. These devils are not dangerous. These are such devils which are not dangerous and do not attack to the people unless you are attacking them, and just for defending them, they can attack, but usually they don't attack to the people, and the animal eventually starve to death, which makes them a really endangered species. So there we are with some weird but quite interesting facts about some animals, which makes them unusual and uncommon from other animals' attributes. This is Aditi Gupta, and we will be back with some another topic in the next video.